you buy guns not because just you want self-defense. You know, there was a mall shooting in a lot of states. All the states is a permit carry. You can have guns on you. All that stuff, concealed carry, and everybody was running from a shopping center. All the gun owners, they go like, "Damn, I don't know who's shooting who. I don't want to be here." You know, sometimes having a gun doesn't help you because you don't know who's shooting what's happening. Sometimes having guns okay on your land, in your house, in your car sometimes. And you have guns because you like guns, you like shooting, you know. It's like having a car or having a jewelry, having a nice shoes or something, you know. I don't know if I shoot this bear. I don't know. Should I shoot it? Let's see. Let's shoot him in the heart. That's his mama right there. What? One of the bullets didn't fire. Let's see if the bullet's gonna fire. That's how I shot my other car one day. I was playing. When the bullet didn't fire, I was keep shooting. Let's see if it's gonna shoot. I think this is the bullet. Maybe not. Sometimes you shoot 3-4 times, that bullet can fire. Okay, sometimes doesn't fire. Let's see. We're gonna see which bullet is.